How to check mutual friends on Snapchat. For that, just click on your profile picture at the top left. Scroll down and click on where it says My Friends. And inside My Friends, you can click on any of your friends' profile. And over here, it's going to show you mutual friends. Right now, I have 0 mutual friends with Badaloli, so nothing is being shown. But this is one way to check mutual friends. You can come inside their profile, and right over here where it shows 10041248, that's a snap score. Right beside it, it's going to show mutual friend. But since I don't have any, it's not showing me any number. But if I had, it's going to show that. The next thing you can do is click on the person with the plus icon at the top. It's right beside the search icon. Click on it. And over here, it's going to show you basically mutual friends. So these are all the people who are basically like mutual friends with me and stuff like that. So basically it's going to show up over here, okay? But that is how you guys can check mutual friends on Snapchat. And it's also going to show you +1 mutual friends, +2 mutual friends right below the username. So keep that in mind. It's not showing any mutual friends over here for me because I have none. That's why. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.